Hi, welcome to Ecom Academy. My name is Richard. Welcome to this channel on YouTube. If you found us here, you're very welcome. Today we're going to guide you through the course how to build a dropshipping store on WordPress along with Elementor Page Builder. A lot of people, when they hear WordPress, they are like, oh my god, WordPress is difficult and I don't know how to set it up. I don't know how to build my own website. I don't have design skills, I don't have marketing skills, how am I gonna do that? Okay, well, these are all valid questions and we are going to answer those questions with this course for you. By the end of this course you will be able to build a beautiful dropshipping website on WordPress with Elementor Page Builder. If you follow this course and you build a beautiful website of your own and build a dropshipping store or another website, please give us a message and we can share the website in a future blog post on our website if you like, so you will get some more traffic to your site, and of course we get the credits for that you have such a beautiful website because of our course, of course. If you want to check out more course videos, we have free videos on our channel. Here on YouTube, you can subscribe by hitting the bell button. And if you like this course video or other videos on our channel, please give it a thumbs up, which is this. And if you did that and we will have 5,000 likes on our course video, we will share the free ebook with all the templates we have and all the marketing templates. So you actually have to do very little to make your own beautiful website along with templates and that sort of stuff. So enough talking and let's start working. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go.